I'm meteorologist Adam Stiles. It's been dry, warm, and humid here in Toronto for most of the afternoon, but there are some strong storms in southwestern Ontario that we're keeping an eye on. So areas just outside of St. Thomas through Talbotsville into the Shedden area, Muncie, you're dealing with some very strong storms at this point along portions of the 401. Looking at that heavy rain that cuts down toward Dutton, just outside of that area, dealing with the heaviest rain that we're seeing in the area there, and the lightning back in behind it, up in through Kitchener-Waterloo. It's areas just outside of Kitchener, not quite into Cambridge just yet, that are seeing some of those heavier storms. A couple of downpours near Stratford. I do think these ones are the type that pop up, rain themselves out, and don't do much in terms of producing damaging winds, but they will put down some very brief and heavy downpours. Now starting to get some lightning strikes just outside of the Shelburne area. For those areas up in toward the Dundalk Highlands, we're looking at that potential of pop-up showers and storms. All of this eventually moves closer to the GTA. Severe thunderstorm watches have been added in through Kitchener-Waterloo. We still have the warnings in eastern eastern Lambton County, Sarnia-Lambton regions, and then down in toward western Middlesex County. If you're under those storms, you need to be inside riding them out. The cold front that is going to be moving through is still back over Lake Huron. That doesn't move through until about midnight tonight. It will be bringing us much cooler, fresher air, huge temperature difference between Toronto and Thunder Bay, but even between Toronto and Sudbury, as that fresher air is slated to arrive overnight tonight. So we start the day tomorrow at 16 degrees. By midday, we're looking at 22 degrees, and that humidity pretty much gone. And then into the afternoon, a nice fresh afternoon, touch on the breezy side at 24 degrees. A lot of 23s, 24s for the first half of the 7-day forecast, and a lot of sunshine as well with just a few clouds. But by Monday, we start to warm up. 25 degrees expected. It'll be a partly cloudy sky. Storms expected late in the day on Tuesday as we bring in that warm front, which brings in some of those warmer temperatures as we head into Wednesday with a daytime high of about 27. So low humidity sticking around all the way through the weekend. Looks to be a pretty nice weekend, a little on the cool side into the evening hours. I'll have an updated forecast coming your way on City News tonight at 11 o'clock.